Hello and welcome to Gold and Silver Assets. It's Sunday the 15th of December 2019. So both gold and silver prices have been correcting since September, so it's been going on for a while now, and the question is, are we close to the end of the correction? So we'll start with the US dollar gold spot price on the daily scale. So last week we were talking about this channel here, and when we were looking more closely at the 4-hourly scale, we could see the price action was forming this upward sloping channel here, and price has bounced off of this very nicely over the past few weeks. But the problem with these channels is that it's very difficult to tell which way it's going to break out. It's 50-50 basically, and there's nothing within here that tells us which direction it's going to go. Now, if the price does breach this upper trend line here, then I think we're going to have a massive move upwards. So the price to look out for here is the 1486 US dollar level. But I think we'll see early on in the week where this is going to go. Another possibility is that it moves sideways for a while before reaching this upper trend channel. Or the other possibility is if it breaks down, but it would have to do so pretty early in the week. If it goes below the 1456 US dollar level, then we would potentially be looking at the 1420 US dollar level here. I don't think price is going to actually go much lower than this now. This correction has been going on for some time, and January is usually a very positive month for gold. So which of these is going to play out? There's no indications basically from the price action, so we're just going to have to just watch these levels very closely. If we look at silver in US dollars, again we've got two possibilities here. Either we've got this channel, which we spoke about last week, or this wedge. As time goes by, the wedge is looking the more likely of the two patterns here. And price has nicely been testing the 200-day moving average. So what could happen in the next week or so? Again, if we go above this upper trend line here, I think we're going to have a huge move, because this is a very bullish pattern that we're seeing. Before it gets there, of course, one possibility is that price dips possibly to retest this lower trend line here. We're looking at about the 1630 level, but then after that it would resume its upwards action, because 70% of cases of wedges break out upwards. The other possibility is that we just get a bit of sideways movement and then going upwards. So the possibilities in terms of price are narrowing more and more, and so those of you who are long for both silver and gold, get ready to buy if you are long, because I think it's very doubtful that we're going to get much lower prices. Of course, not investment advice. Thanks for listening, and let's see what happens next week.